it seems like when I'm down on my knees. God, I can't really tell if you're listening to me.
Greetings, YouTube. Alain unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. Today is indeed Sunday, January the 12th, 2019. And it's been over 30 days since we brought you guys an update on anything from here at our gardens right here in in Row Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. So we thought we'd take this moment to bring you guys along with us for a harvest video. Today we're going to take a trip right over there to Queen Annie's place. If you guys have been following the video series on that particular planter, you know that we planted orange hybrid carrots, we planted collard greens, we planted a few cloves of garlic over there, we planted some green sprouting broccoli, we planted a little bit of Swiss chard, and we also planted a few heads of red rock mammoth cabbage over there. Today we're going to bring you guys along as we harvest our orange hybrid carrots. They've been in that planter over there for roughly 3.5 months now, almost 4 months. We planted them back in late summer here in our garden, and we're going to go over there right now and bring you guys along with us as we harvest those carrots. We're not sure exactly what type of results we're going to have. We can tell you guys that we got roughly 5.5 hours of sunlight on that planter per day from the time that we planted them up until about December, when the sun shifted positions in the sky back there, and at that point we were getting about 3.5 to 4 hours of direct sunlight in that planter over there. And at this point it's time for us to harvest those carrots. We're going to go over there. Not sure exactly what type of a harvest we're going to have. We're going to harvest those carrots nonetheless. We're going to bring you guys along for that. So hang tight as I spin this camera around and show you guys exactly what's going on at Queen Annie's place right here at the Green Thumbs Garden. As you guys can see, we've been getting a lot of rain here over the last 24 hours here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. Everything is nice and soaked in wet. We got a good rain here. You can tell it is indeed the fall. All these leaves in our yard out here. Some things are looking quite well here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. Other things not doing so well. But things are indeed looking well at Queen Annie's place. I'm going to bring you guys along with us today as we go over there and take a look at our orange hybrid carrots. We're going to go ahead and harvest those carrots. I'm going to bring you guys along with us as we do that right now. Hang tight, YouTube. Yeah, Queen Annie's place. This one's for you, Mama. It's time to harvest your carrots. I'm going to show everybody exactly how well they did do or didn't do right here in your planter. Again, if you guys been following the video series on this planter, you recall that we planted, I think, 24, 25 carrot seeds here in this particular planter. We tried to space them out so that they would have an adequate amount of space to develop and wouldn't be competing with each other for nutrients and water in the soil. They did grow pretty well, indicated by the foliage here. But that's no indication of what type of carrots we have beneath the soil, if we have any carrots at all. At any rate, YouTube, we're going to start with this first row here on the end here and work our way towards the left. Here we go. Our orange hybrid carrots. We received these seeds as a gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Again, Mark, Tina, love you guys, and thank you both so much for giving us the opportunity to attempt to grow some of the things here in our garden that you guys have been successful at growing in your garden there in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks, guys. All right, number one, let's see what we got here. Short stubby guy there. Pretty fat though. I mean, really fat, but only about 4, maybe 5 inches long. We're satisfied with that. Number two. This guy's significantly longer, not quite as big around, but we're very pleased with what we see here so far. And guys, excuse my shabby camera work here. I'm out here in the garden by myself today on this somewhat rainy day here in Tifton, Georgia, and I'm doing my best to bring you guys the best footage that I can and hold this camera at the same time. So again, excuse my shoddy camera work. Number 3, this guy has a little cricket indicating that the carrot itself may have contacted something beneath the soil and caused it to grow, tip to grow around that, whatever that was down there. But again, we're having seeing some pretty decent sized carrots here from Queen Annie's place. We're pretty pleased with what we're seeing here so far. At the end of this video, we'll lay these carrots out on our front porch and show you guys what they look like laid out, show you the various differences in sizes. But yeah, we're really pleased with the size carrots that we're harvesting right now at Queen Annie's place. You did pretty good, Mom. We're about halfway down. We're really pleased with the size carrots we're harvesting at this point. Again, at the end of this video, we'll lay these guys out on the front porch, wash them off, and show you guys exactly how well we did here at Queen Annie's place with our orange hybrid carrots. Again, we received these seeds as a gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks again, Mark and Tina. On to our second row. Wow, look at that guy. Nice. Now that we know that we can be indeed successful in growing these carrots here in our garden, in our grow zone here in Tifton, Georgia, grow zone 8B, we will indeed be planting these carrots again this fall for a fall harvest. Nice. All right, guys, our last row. Try to get a different angle on these guys. Tiny guy. All right, guys, we're down to our last 3 plants over here. Look at that. We're going to take these carrots over to the faucet, wash them off, and we'll lay them out on our front porch and give you guys a quick look at exactly how well we did over here at Queen Annie's place with our orange hybrid carrots. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back. We have our carrots washed and laid out on our front porch. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at exactly how well my mom did over at Queen Annie's place growing orange hybrid carrots. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah. What do you guys think about that? I think you did quite well over there, Mom. We're really, really pleased at how well your carrots did over there at Queen Annie's place. If you guys recall anything about the Green Thumb Garden channel, you guys know that we only use composted cow manure here in our garden beds. We don't use any other type of fertilizer, any type of granular fertilizer or liquid fertilizer, anything like that. We only use composted cow manure. And this is indeed the results of growing orange hybrid carrots, a product of Johnny's Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine, and a gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Again, thanks Mark and Tina. For any of you guys who are not already following Mark and Tina's channel over there at Bumblebee Junction, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to their channel, and take a look at exactly what Mark and Tina has going on up there in Eastern Tennessee at Bumblebee Junction right now. At any rate, YouTube, if you are indeed watching this video and you're not already currently subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Orange hybrid carrots at Queen Annie's place, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Love you, Mom.
I wonder if you're listening.